Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming power and basic connectivity so you avoid chasing ghosts. First, make sure your AirPods Max hold a decent charge, ideally 50% or more, then open Control Center and verify volume and mute are off. Once done, check audio balance, set it centered, unpair any active audio routes and play a different file or app. Finally, toggle Bluetooth on your phone or computer to force a fresh connection. These quick checks often restore sound immediately. Now perform the deeper fixes. You'll reset and re-establish a clean connection. Hold the noise control button and digital crown together for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber. This clears pairing glitches. Next, remove AirPods Max from Bluetooth settings, restart your phone or computer, and then repair. If sound is still missing, plug in a Lightning to 3.5mm adapter and play audio directly to check hardware. Make sure to try a second device to isolate whether the issue is headset or source. Finish by ruling out firmware or hardware faults before seeking service. Connect AirPods Max to your iPhone and allow any automatic firmware update. On computers, check driver and codec settings. If problems persist after reset and wired testing, contact Apple support for a hardware diagnostic or repair. One key troubleshooting tip: test mono playback and listen to each ear cup separately, and try a different phone or tablet. If one cup never plays on any device,
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.